What's up, guys? All right, so the most common call I get that people ask me is when they're doing work on their house, and it's usually in the bedroom, and they replace the receptacle or they replace the receptacles in their bedroom, and they have a lamp on their nightstand. All right, they replace all the receptacles, they plug the lamp in, and the lamp turns on. So they go to the switch, and the switch isn't working anymore. All right, so what happens is, okay, when they put the receptacle in, I have a receptacle right here. When they put the receptacle in, you see the one that goes to the lamp has two wires that go to it. Okay, see these two wires? So those two wires go to it, and what happens is that one of the wires has power all the time. One of the wires goes to the switch that's on the wall. Okay, but there's a little thing here. You see that tab right there, right in the middle? That connects this screw to this screw. Okay? So, if this one is on all the time and it's connected to that one is on all the time. So when you plug your lamp in, the power automatically is on all the time, so the lamp turns on. Okay? What you want is you want to have a half of it switched and the other half not switched. So you plug in your clock or something that stays on all the time, the lamp is over here. So if this is the side that you want to put the lamp on, what you need to do is you got to get yourself a pair of needle nose pliers. But if you don't have a pair of needle nose pliers, just get any pliers. I got some pliers that were in the junk thing around here. Okay, so if all you have is this, it's still possible. That little tab right there, you have to grab it. Okay, I have it grabbed right now, and you want to break it. You want to break the tab. So what you'll do is you grab it and you go back and forth. It's kind of hard to do with this and not needle nose, but it'll get done. All right. So while I'm doing this, if you can, if this helps you out, help me out. Like the video, and if you like how-to stuff, subscribe to the channel. Makes me feel loved. So yeah, hook a brother up. Subscribe. Now, if you have a pair of needle nose, it goes real fast. It's like one, two, three, and you can grab it. I wanted to do it the hard way. Someone who doesn't have the right, all the tools. Okay. Now it broke. So you see how there's separation in the middle there? Now this one is not connected to that one. So the power is on over here. This one's on all the time, so you can plug your clock in. This side is now connected to the switch. You hit the switch, this turns on separate. So now this one is separated from this switch receptacle.